Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Milanote tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, let us know what is this Milanote I'm talking about. So you're always coming up with fresh ideas as a creative, but they're probably all over your notebooks, phone applications, sticky notes, and a sort of napkins from restaurants. You're juggling 12 tasks at once and finding it difficult to keep them all organized and on track. So, what about your fantastic idea and ambitious artistic objectives that keep us pulling because you are too overwhelmed and unsure of how to proceed? They introduce to you Milanote. With Milanote, users may arrange ideas and projects into customized boards that include a variety of information kinds, including text, photographs, links, notes, and more. Milanote is a visual collaboration platform and is among the most important tools for creative thinkers to manage their lives. To start, all you have to do is to go to sign up. You can sign up to Milanote by signing up with your Google, or you can also sign up with your Apple account. So for me, I have to tap Google because for me it's the easiest. You can review the terms and agree to the terms and conditions. And also you have the option to receive notifications from them or not. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And actually, before you proceed, they will ask you some basic questions like which of this best describes you. You can answer this or you can skip. And after this, you can now get started. Okay, so here it is. Now to start, you can drag a new board. You can change the name later. And then within this board, we can add elements that we can see on the left side pane. Okay, this is what it looks like. So as you can see below home on the left side, you can see elements such as this note, link, to do, line, board, columns, comments, table, this three dots, add image, upload. We have here a draw and trash if you want to delete. On the right side, if you tap this gear icon, you can see here your settings. Probably first is your account settings. You can change here your ID, your email address, your password. And you can also delete your account if you want. For emails and notifications, you could toggle this one on off if you want to receive notifications and alerts from Milanote. Appearance, you can change the appearance here, your interface, and also your color scheme. For example, light mode or dark mode. We have here preferences. You can toggle this one on, off. You can change the settings here. Everything is up to you. After that, we have also here localization. We have here toolbar options. And lastly, we have here privacy key. So that's it. That is the thing where you tap this gear icon or settings right here. Beside, we have here notifications, and here you will see or receive some alerts and notifications from Milanote. Any activities that is new will pop up right here. We have here search icon if you have tons of board here, if you have many boards here, and you're looking for a specific name of the board, all you have to do is to go to the search bar and type the name of the board. Okay, if you encounter some problems here, you can tap this question mark icon and then you can search for help center here, or you can message them directly here on the phone icon. You can log in using QR code and you can link your Milanote here using your phone. So for Zoom appearance, you can change the way you want to see or to view your Milanote board. Also here for export, you can export it through PDF or PNG. Everything is up to you. If you want to add editors, you can just simply add them. Just type their email address or copy this link and paste it to wherever you wish. And then that person will receive this one. And it's up to them if they will accept this invitation. Okay, so that's it. Now, going back, we can now start creating our new board here. So like what I mentioned earlier, all you have to do is to drag that object or element here to start. So let's start from the first. We have here in Note. So all you have to do is to drag it right here. For example, you are thinking about or you're trying to organize or arrange your meeting here. So you can simply type it here. If you want to edit your text, you just had to tap Here you can edit the format, bold, okay? You can even change the color of your text and also your board, your text box here. All you have to do is to go to this board. You can even add emojis and emoticons. Everything is up to you. To change the position, you just have to click and then drag it anywhere you wish. Second, we have here is a link. For example, you have your website already. So all you have to do is to type right here. For example, I had this my Milanote meeting.com. So if someone clicked this one, it will take them directly to your website. You can also edit this by tapping. You can change the color. You can add emojis. Okay, and yes, everything is up to you. So that's it. You can change the color with the text. And then, yeah, add emojis, add emoticons. Everything is up to you. Now, let's proceed to the third one, to do. So we have here to-do list. All you have to do is to drag this, and then you can add to-do list here. Okay, so let me add my to-do list first. Okay, so this is the example of my to-do list. If you want to change the font text, you just have to click this one. You can change it to bold. You can change this to whatever format you want. So you can add emojis. Okay, you can change the color of each text here. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And actually, the good thing is that you can add or you can assign in this to-do list per specific person. Okay, for example, you added someone here like your friend or collaborator. You can mention them so that they will be notified that this task is for them to do. You can set a date, okay, by just tapping and going to the left side. Set a date, assign it to someone. So that's the good thing about this move. Okay, and then so we have here the new note, the link, and we have your to-do list. Also, you can change the font style. You can change the color of your text here. Now let's proceed to adding arrows to specify something. If you want to point out something or connect this certain box here to another box, all you have to do is to click this arrow and point it to that specific text or box. And then also you can change the color of this arrow so that, it would be more visible to someone. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can copy and duplicate your arrow if you want, or you can add again. So you can tap all of this here, okay, control, and then tap this box's arrow and another box if you want to move them all together. Okay, another one here is if you want to add new column. So you can edit the text by just tapping and then add some text right here. And again, you can add a comment, okay, inside the box if you want someone to comment on this column here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can change the color, you can change the font text, everything is up to you. And then here you can add table. Okay, tap and then drag it right here. There you can add something like, for example, if you want to set a group, for example, A, B, everything is up to you. If you want to add image, tap image, and then you can search a specific image here, for example, about meeting, that you can also drag it right here. Okay, change the color. You could also add draw, or you can add drawings here or circles to specify something. You can add more elements and objects if you want. You can tap trash if you want to delete out of this. Okay, so this is just a very basic tutorial, and this is how simple it is to use this Milanote. All you have to do is to drag these elements and objects to this blank page or new board, change the color, change the text, change the position, bend the arrow. Okay, everything is up to you. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to export this, you can export this to PDF. Everything is up to you, or you can share this one also. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.